I chose to do middle adulthood, chapter 15 and 16, mainly because I am 35 and I am entering into middle adulthood slowly but surely. So I chose to talk about the big five: extroversion, agreeableness, conscientiousness, neurotism, openness to experience. So the first one, extroversion, includes traits like talkativeness, assertiveness, things like that. I can definitely tell you from when I was 18 until now, 35, I have definitely developed a way to talk much better to people and just be more outgoing and, not be so quiet or passive like I used to be. The next one is agreeableness. So these traits are contrast kindness, trust, warmth with hostility, selfishness, and distrust. I think as you age, distrust is a huge one. Learning who you can and cannot trust is a big thing, something that I am currently talking to my teenagers about when dealing with their friends and the drama that's been going on. Next one is conscientiousness. Traits include organization, reliability, things like that. I definitely think, as you age and get older and your job is not just a job, but a career, you definitely have to be reliable, get to work on time, show up, realize that, the company you work for really needs you there and it causes a big problem, if you are not able to come into work just for no reason. Next one is neurotism. According to our textbook, traits include contrast nervousness, moodiness, and sensitivity to negative stimuli with coping ability. This is a big one. This last one here is stimuli with coping abilities. So, when negative things happen in your life as you get older, especially enter middle age, you're definitely able to deal with those matters in a different, more positive way than you were when you were a teenager. I think mostly it's because your brain is more formed and especially your frontal lobe, allowing you to take a deep breath, take a step back, kind of look at the situation and then figure out a way to move forward instead of just jumping headfirst in without thinking. Next one is openness to experience. These traits include imagination, curiosity, creativity with shallowness, and lack of perceptiveness. Definitely curiosity is a big one for me as I've started to hit middle age. I ask a lot of questions. I am extremely curious and just want as much knowledge as I can get. I work in the dental field and I am constantly asking questions, not just really because I'm curious, but I just want to learn as much possible. I believe it makes me better at my job. And that is all I got. Hopefully, this was a good review of the Big Five there for you guys. And I kind of gave you some examples from my life personally because I am entering into middle adulthood. Thank you.